Good morning. Study material, session 33. Correlation analysis. Introduction. Correlation is a statistical measure that expresses the extent to which two variables are linearly related, meaning they change together at a constant rate. Here they measure. Correlation means it is a measure that expresses. It gives us what it gives the extent to which two variables, it may be two changing phenomena. If you take the example of the price and supply, price is one variable and supply is another one variable. Price is also changes, supply also changes. So here we have to know about the relationship between these two variables, means price and supply are linearly related. In what extent it is related, in what direction it is related, we have to study in the correlation. That it is the meaning they change together at a constant rate. Here the price and supply, it increases. If the price of a commodity increases, the supply is also increasing. That is called as the correlation. Here it is a common tool for describing simple relationship without making a statement. Here correlation is a simple tool for describing simple relationship without making a statement about cause and effect. What is the cause for the changes in the price? What is the cause for the changes in the supply? In what are the reasons behind the changes in the prices? The changes in the prices of petrol has been increased. What are the reasons? Here it is not our job to find what are the causes and effect of the rise in the price of the a particular product. Here we have to know about the what is the relationship between the price and supply. Here we have been taken the two phenomena as the price and supply in order to measure the changes or the relationship between the price and supply. We use the tool of the correlation. So in the introduction, the study, why we have to study, so that it is the correlation. Now in detail we shall go. What is the meaning of the correlation? Correlation analysis measures the strength. It measures, correlation study is a measure for the strength, degree and direction of the relationship between two or more variables. So this is the meaning which has been given in order to know about the correlation analysis. Correlation study which measures the strength, degree, what is the here amount, and direction. What is the, whether it is the opposite direction or it is in the same direction. We have to study about the here direction of the price and supply. Relationship between two or more variables. Here we can have the establishment of the relationship between the price and supply, or any other three or more variables also we can measure with the help of the correlation. So this is the complete meaning of the correlation analysis. Now some of the definitions we shall go through here. According to A.M. Tittle, correlation is an analysis. According to A.M. Tittle, correlation is an analysis. It is the study of the covariance between. It is the relationship between. Covariation means relationship, variation. What is the way in which the two phenomena have the here relationship between two or more variables? It is the study. Here correlation is the study to analyze about the relationship between it is not only two variables, it may be more than two variables. That it is why here they have been mentioned as the two or more variables. Here, so this is the definition which has been given by the AMEEE for the correlation analysis. By this, we can know about it. Correlation analysis is a overall finding or determining two or more phenomena. That it is the relationship has to be ascertained with the help of the correlation analysis. And here the study, why we have to study the correlation analysis. Next, what is the meaning of the correlation analysis? Next, it is the some experts has been given the definition, that is AMEEE. We have been understood about the what is the correlation analysis. Then what is the significance of the correlation analysis? Or we can go for the uses of the correlation analysis. Why we have to study means some of the here importance, some of the significance, some of the areas in which it is helpful for the taking the decisions. For that, we use the correlation analysis. In that, the first one is it helps to know the covariance. The correlation analysis is helpful to know about the covariance, correlation between two variables. Here, the first one and the second variables are there. We have to know about the relationship. The first is that it is the price. The second one is the supply. Whether relationship is there. If the relationship is there, what type of the relationship is there? Whether it may be the positive or negative. That we study in the here correlation analysis. It helps for the know about the what is the way in which the relationship is there. So here correlation analysis is helpful for the decision makers to know about the two variables relationship, that is called as the covariance of the two variables. Second, it helps to measure. Correlation analysis is helpful for the measuring the relationship between two variables. Here covariance means whether it may be the here in what direction. Here again relationship between the two variables has to be estimated, whether it may be the low degree or high degree, so that we can conclude what type of the here relationship is there in the between the two variables. That is also one of the benefit from the correlation analysis for the decisions makers. And also, if we come to the next one, as it helps to estimate future value of a variable. With the help of the past, we can estimate the future also. From the one variable, we can estimate the future values of the variables. Many of the decisions is taken with the past experience. Correlation analysis helps to know about the covariance relationship of the two variables, and then it is helpful to what value in the future course of action we will get it. When we know about the past experience only, we can estimate the future. Here, the correlation analysis is estimating the future values of a variable. And here, the correlation analysis also gives about it contributes to the understanding of economic behavior of variables. Much of the economic situation study, economic decisions has been taken with the help of the statistics. That too, here the correlation analysis is helpful to know about the relationship between the two or more variables, that is the price, demand, supply. So all this comes under the economic behavior. In the economic behavior, we have to study about the price, then the demand, the supply. So these are the factors which makes to know understand about the economic behavior of the country. Here they use the tool of the correlation analysis. What type of what amount, what type of the relationship is there between these two variables. Here the economic behavior of variables can be understood with the help of the Here, correlation analysis. So references: CM Chikkodi, BG Satyaprasad, Quantitative Methods for Business, and SP Gupta, Statistical Methods, Sultan Chand, Delhi. So these are the references which has been taken here, and I think you have been understood about the what is the necessity of the correlation analysis we have to study, why we have to study the correlation analysis with the introduction part, then the meaning, what exactly the correlation means, as it is a new topic in the semesters, as it is so, you have to know about what is the exact meaning of the correlation analysis, and the experts which has been given about the correlation analysis, as they, it is the covariance or correlate, that is the relationship between the two or more variables. It is not only the one variable, it may be two or more variables is there. Then uses or significance of correlation analysis, it tells about the covariance between the two variables. Then it measures the relationship, whether the positive or negative relationship is there, and also it estimates future values of the variables. It predicts the future value from the past experience. Then with the help of this correlation analysis, we can have the good idea about the economic behavior of the variables. In the economic behavior of the variables, the price, supply, demand, or constitutes the economic behavior of a country. And correlation analysis is helpful for finding or establishing the relationship between these two. With the help of the correlation analysis, we can have the prediction, we can have the study of the economic behavior. And so this is about the correlation analysis. Thank you.